Test drive the 2018 SL Class. The SL Class is the stuff of legends, a story of epic proportions. The SL blends sportiness and luxury with a strong, responsive 5.5-liter V8 and agile handling. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: convertible hardtop, electronic stability control, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, leather upholstery, heated seats, heated front seats, tachometer, leather shift knob, driver vanity mirror. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.